Problem: draw a hypocycloid of a circle of 40 mm diameter, which rolls inside another circle 200 mm diameter, for 1 revolution. Draw a tangent and normal at any point on it. First, we need to calculate theta. We know that length of the circle is equals pi d or 2 pi r. Subtends an angle of 360 degrees. Theta equals small r by r into 360 degrees. Given that, roll a circle, r equals 20 mm and r equals 100 mm. We'll get theta equals 72 degrees. Step 1. Locate point O. Step 2. At an angle of 72 degrees. Draw two lines. Locate point P and Q at a distance of 100 mm. OP equals OQ equals R equals 100 mm. Step 3. Locate point C from point O at a distance of 80 mm. Step 4. At center C and radius R equals 20 mm. Draw a smaller circle inside the major circle. Step 6. Divide this smaller circle into 12 equal parts, as shown. Locate points 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Step 7. O is center. Draw an arc of major circle from point P to intersect second line OQ. Draw the arc through point 11 and 1 as shown. Do the same for 10 and 2, 9 and 3, 8 and 4, 7 and 5, 6. Step 8. Draw one arc from center of the smaller circle. This arc is called locus of center. Step 9. In order to divide the arc P, Q into 12 equal parts, draw a line from point O at an angle of 6 degrees which intersect with base line of smaller circle and locus of center. Locate 1' and C1. Do the same up to 12' and C12. Step 10. R equals 20 mm. C1 is center. Draw an arc on 11 and 1 line as shown. Locate P1. C2 is center. Locate P2. C3 is center. Locate P3. Do the same till P12. Join a smooth curve with freehand by joining the points P1 to P12. To draw a tangent and normal at any point on the curve. Step 10. Take any line between 1-C1 to -C12. Let us take 8-C8 line. Step 12. C8 is center, and radius R equals 20 mm. Cut the locus of center at the point M as shown. Step 13. Join M, 8-, extend this line is called normal. Step 14. Draw a line perpendicular to normal. As shown. This line is called tangent.